Welcome back to Aqua Drive, guys. And after making us wait for many years, Yamaha has finally launched the much-awaited XSR 155. The motorcycle has been priced at 1,50,000 rupees. There are four color options. So let's check out the highlights of this motorcycle. First up, the styling. The styling of this motorcycle is one of the main reasons why it is so popular among the audience. It has a neo-retro design language. Up front, you get this nice circular headlight, gets an LED unit. There's a nice aluminium bracket over here, looks very nice, gets LED indicators. Moving forward, you have a nice sleek fuel tank, looks very cool, old school. The center panel is also very small. You get this aluminium bash plate and you get that bent seat to give it that proper retro look. The styling of the motorcycle looks best in the profile. When you come at the back, you get a nice chunky exhaust muffler and the tail light unit for me is the most highlighting thing on the design front is the small LED tail light. Looks very clean, very nice, gives it that proper retro charm. And talking about the engine, yes, this is the same 155cc liquid cooled engine that we have seen on the R15 and the MT-15, and it gets a 6-speed gearbox. And in terms of electronics, there is traction control, there is slipper clutch, and you also get dual channel ABS. The frame of the motorcycle is shared, it's a DeltaBox frame. It's shared with the MT-15. And in terms of the handling dynamics, it should be good because the MT-15 is a very good handling motorcycle. Talking about hardware, you get an upside down fork, get alloy wheels, disc brake. Moving to the rear, again, alloy wheels, disc brake, and road bias tires. And as I mentioned before, it gets a dual channel ABS. So this is the new Yamaha XSR 155. There are four color options. Apart from that, you also get this kitted out version. This is like a slightly like a scrambler version. Gets a different plate over here. The fuel tank also gets a different addition. The handlebar, you get a bar and mirror, and also you get adjustable lever on this motorcycle, and the alloy wheels have a different shape. Apart from that, there is also a cafe racer variant, and you can see the styling of this motorcycle looks completely different with the headlight cowl. It also gets those ends to protect. The lever protectors are there, adjustable levers, the fuel tank shape, and the seat shape is completely different, and that makes the motorcycle look very retro. So that's the new Yamaha XXR 155. What's your take on this motorcycle? Do let us know in the comments. You think Yamaha has got the pricing right or not? Are you guys excited or not? Or you think Yamaha should have got us something more exciting? Please let us know in the comments, and thank you for watching.